If you're watching this video, you are probably one of the three types. You want 2022 to be a year of breakthrough where you smash all your goals with flying colors. You saw this video popping up and you're intrigued by the flying unicorn. You're watching my videos just to support me because I have so few subscribers. But since you're here, let me share with you my favorite way to reset and recalibrate the year ahead for a fresh start, which is vision boarding. In today's video, I'll share with you the purpose and misconception of a vision board, how you can go about building your own vision board to help you achieve your goals, and also a template for you to download to guide you through your own vision boarding process. Other than helping you gain clarity on your goals, a vision board is a very fun process to be doing with your partner or your kids. It helps you to understand them better as well. But what exactly is a vision board? Simply put it, a vision board is your New Year resolution put together in a tangible form on a board where you can see and visualize on a daily basis. It is, however, not a magical board where all your dreams will come true or simply manifest into reality if you just put them on it. It exists to remind you of the goals that you want to achieve this year, the feeling and vibe that you want to have. It is a tool to help you stay focused, stay reminded, and inspire you to take daily action to make your dream come true. Just a quick Google into the word power of visualization, you will see how successful people like Oprah Winfrey, Michael Phelps, Jim Carrey, Michael Jordan, Will Smith uses it to help them achieve what they want. If you're ready to create your own visualization tool, let's dive right in. The first step is to prepare a space for your vision board. I didn't want to ruin the aesthetic of the room, so I put it behind this curtain here. But if you are able to put it in plain sight, that would be even better. So every day when I'm at my desk, I'll open up my curtain and have a look at my vision board. It inspires and motivates me to continue working hard for what I want, and I also have a copy of it on my phone. So it'll always be in my sight. So step 1 is simple, just find a place around your house that suits your preference and you can see it every day. Now moving on to step 2. Step 2 is about reflecting and creating a goal that you're emotionally connected to. Not a goal that's given to you by society, but one that you truly care and resonate with. So for this, you require some quiet alone time. Find a space, prepare a drink, and put out some nice music before you start. I do this every year with my wives. It's sort of like a bonding session that we have. We will share our reflections for the past year and some of the goals that we want to achieve for the year ahead. I understand that some of you may need a more guided approach. I've created this reflection worksheet. Just simply click the link below to download it. Leave me a comment after you have tried it to let me know how you find it. So this is how the worksheet will look like. We will first reflect through the past year, thinking about all the key events, the biggest accomplishments, who were there to help and support us, just show appreciation. And then we'll move on to the next year and we set goals for the different categories. For example, relationship and family, finances, career and business, or like health and fitness, or even material possession. Like for me, I'm not a very material possession kind of guy. The things like the luxury watch or the next car don't really motivate me to get out of bed. It's not that I don't like them, but it's just that they don't motivate me as much, so I left it empty. But if that works for you, that's great, just be true to yourself. When you're doing your goal setting, you want to be very specific with the what and when, what you want to achieve and by when. But you want to dig even deeper into your why, the feelings and emotion behind your goals and the reason why you want to achieve them. And the next thing to talk about is the timeline. Now there's no hard and fast rule for this, but I do prefer to keep all of my goals within a 1-year time frame. If I have a big goal that's of a 10 years time frame, sometimes it's a bit more overwhelming than motivating. So if I do have one, I would prefer to break it down into little milestones and use a 1-year time frame as a target instead. With all this well thought out, we are ready for the next step to create the vision board. You can do it on a physical board, cut up some magazine, print things out, paste them. Kids will love this process. But for me, I prefer to do it digitally where it's hassle-free on Canva or Photoshop, where I can easily Google for any image that I want. What is very important is that you want your board not to just have the specific goals, but also include the kind of feeling and attitude, the vibe that you want to have throughout the year. For example, I want to achieve 300 subscribers by the end of the year and achieve a 5% growth in my trading account every month. So I edited the photos. These are tangible goals. But in the process, I also want to have a sense of inner peace, calmness. I want to be growth oriented and loving. So I use this picture that I took in Capital Kill to represent that, and added text in to emphasize it. So play around with pictures, quotes, role models, or even add yourself into picture to personalize your board to represent the kind of goals, attitude, lifestyle that you want to achieve this year. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you put on it. As long as you're inspired by it, you resonate with it, and you feel good looking at it, you got it right. Print it up, put it up, and use it as a guiding tool every single day. Now that you have done everything, here's the most important step, which is to hustle. Having a vision board and goal setting are great tools to help you work with intention. It is true that there's no point climbing a mountain if it's the wrong mountain, and busy being busy. At the same time, now that we have a clear direction, we need to start putting in the effort and run towards it. Our goals won't come to us magically. If you know what to do, go do it. If you need help figuring out what to do, go get help. Because at the end of the day, the only purpose of goals is to indicate the activities needed to get there. And the vision board is just to inspire us to take those actions. If you need some guidance for your vision boarding process, feel free to download the template below. Like and subscribe if you would like what you have seen today. Most importantly, I hope you will enjoy the vision boarding process and take control of the year ahead. All the best.